echoes of chrome, steel, and raw American power come alive in the unforgettable 1965 Peterbilt 300, a truck that carved its legend into the highways of the United States and became an enduring symbol of long-haul determination. Introduced in the mid-1950s, the 351 was Peterbilt's heavy-duty, conventional model that set new standards in durability and driver confidence, blending rugged construction with the sleek, purposeful styling that truckers came to admire. By 1965, the model had matured into one of the most respected rigs of its era, its long hood and commanding stance instantly recognizable, often specced with custom touches that made each truck feel like a personal badge of honor for its operator. The Peterbilt 351 came with a wide array of engine options, most notably the Cummins NHC series diesels that provided horsepower ranging from 200 to 350, depending on configuration, known for their torque and ability to pull the heaviest loads over mountain passes and across endless plains. These engines cemented the 351's reputation as a workhorse of American freight. Some were even fitted with Caterpillar diesels or Detroit diesel two-stroke options, giving owners a range of choices that made the truck adaptable to different regions and hauling needs. Its aluminum cab and steel hood combined lightweight with strength, a design advantage that Peterbilt used to outshine many competitors at the time. Throughout its production life, spanning from the late 1950s through the early 1970s, the 351 saw subtle updates, including improved suspension systems, refinements in cab comfort, and gradual safety enhancements, yet it held on to its classic form, resisting the radical design shifts seen in rivals like Kenworth or International. The 1965 version captured the essence of the series at its peak, long before aerodynamic designs reshaped trucking in the 1980s. Compared to today's market, where trucks like the Peterbilt 589 or Volvo FH Aero emphasize fuel efficiency, digital dashboards, and advanced emissions technology, the 351 feels like a raw, unfiltered machine built purely for stamina and presence. Modern Peterbilts often start at prices well above $170,000, while a well-preserved or fully restored 351 can command values between $40,000 and $90,000, depending on condition, rarity, and custom history. For collectors and enthusiasts, the 351 represents not just a truck, but an era when drivers and machines were bonded by sweat, diesel, and the open road. The 1965 Peterbilt 351 remains more than a machine. It is an icon of strength and pride. If stories of timeless legends spark your passion, then join us, share your voice, and become part of our community, where classic machines live forever in the spirit of the road.